In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to enable yard moves and personal conveyance for your drivers using the EZ LYNK ELD Fleet Manager portal. As a fleet manager, you have the power to configure these settings easily and securely from within the portal. Let's jump in and take a look at how to do it. First, we're going to log into the Fleet Manager account. On the left-hand side, you'll see what's called the Side Dashboard. From here, we're going to click on Drivers. This section displays all the drivers associated with your fleet account. Next, let's select a driver. Let's go with driver number 2 for this example. Over on the right-hand side, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click those and then choose Edit Driver Info. Here you'll see the driver's basic details: first name, last name, and other standard info. Now scroll toward the middle bottom section of the page. You'll find the settings we're focusing on today. Yard moves, you can choose to enable or disable this feature. Authorized Personal Use, again, you can enable or disable based on your policy. ELD Exempt Driver Status. This setting allows you to mark a driver as exempt if they're operating under conditions like farm vehicle operation, emergency driving, or agricultural exemptions. Once you've confirmed the settings you'd like to apply for that driver, go ahead and click Save. At that point, the changes are applied instantly, and your driver will now have access to those features as configured. And just like that, you're done. As you can see, the EZ LYNK ELD Fleet Manager portal makes it incredibly simple to customize driver permissions. Whether it's enabling yard moves, authorizing personal conveyance, or designating a driver as ELD exempt, you can make all these adjustments in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, anytime you need to make changes for your team, just log into the Fleet Manager portal. It's easy, fast, and built for fleet success.